Good evening, everyone. I trust you're doing well. I'm delighted to be your host for today's webinar on Canvas Builder Layout within Zoho Creator. My name is Nandita Shri Jagdishan, and I'm here to guide you through this enriching session. So, before we start, all attendees will be on mute. If you want to communicate, you need to communicate on that chat panel, and feel free to post your questions in the question tab. This session is recorded, so we will send the recordings of this session to all attendees. Please participate in the post-session survey and share your valuable feedback. We have curated a compelling agenda for today, promising valuable insights into Zoho Creator and its dynamic features. So our focus will be on Canvas Layout Designer, and I can assure you it's going to be an enlightening journey. To give you a brief overview, we'll commence with an introductory dive into Zoho Creator. This foundation discussion will pave the way for our exploration into the diverse world of layouts within this powerful platform. Following that, we'll delve into the specifics within a particular emphasis on Canvas Builder layouts. These layouts are integral for those seeking to optimize their Zoho Creator experience. But we are not stopping there. We'll dissect the subtle distinction between the print templates and Canvas Builder, ensuring a clear introduction and understanding of when and how to effectively use each features. Moving forward, we'll explore the various modules within the Canvas Builder. So these modules serve as an fundamental components, allowing you to craft layouts that they are both dynamic and visual appealing, tailored to your specific needs. Of course, every feature has its strength and disadvantages. Therefore, we'll take a moment to discuss the benefits and limitations of Canvas Builder, providing you with a comprehensive view of its capabilities and constraints. To add a practical touch, we have arranged for a live demonstration. So I will walk you through a real-world application of Canvas Builder layout, providing you with tangible insights. As we conclude, we'll open the floor to your questions during the Q&A session. Your active participation is encouraged, so feel free to ask anything that comes to your mind. What is Zoho Creator? Zoho Creator is a low-code platform designed to help organizations create scalable custom business solutions more quickly than using standard development methodologies. So our vision is to empower everyone to easily build powerful solutions. Without facing any complexity, everyone can build the application with basic knowledge in our Creator platform. It's a fast, easy, and affordable way to build and deploy applications. User can use this platform with the help of drag and drop functionalities to configure the applications. Usually, to build an application, it will take more time, but in low-code concept, it reduces the time and provides more scalability. In creating a useful application, we need to focus on four major things. First off, there are form components, which helps us to collect and save different types of data using various fields. Then we have the report module. This part allows us to look at data in different ways, keeping track of it, analyzing it, and storing it. Next up is the page feature. Using pages, we can take the data we've collected, turn it into visual information, and present a detailed overview of our businesses all in one place. It's a handy module for creating stunning dashboards and landing pages. Lastly, that is the workflow. So this part is all about automating tasks and mapping out different activities and data and also people involved in our business processes. So it helps us making things run more smoother and more efficiently. In our reporting system, we offer various types of cater to your specific needs. From the user-friendly list report, where data is presented in rows and columns for easy compression, to the insightful pivot chart reports that offers a clearer understanding of product information. Creating a pivot table specifically for product detail is also an option. So there are different types of report for every requirement. For those keen on visualizing data geographically, we introduce map reports, providing a spatial perspective on customer, or event locations. Moreover, if you're navigating the progression of stages in your projects, the Kanban report efficiently display the status, whether it is assigned or not, under view or completed or pending. To keep track of scheduled activities and events, we have calendar report, offering an organized view of your timeline. Similarly, the timeline report prove beneficial for tracking duration, especially in the context of bookings and also for specific time spans. For users to Excel seamlessly access to spreadsheet reports, easy each report type is purposefully, allowing you to tailor your view based on the collected data. In the realm of report customization, you have a wide range of options to tailor your reports to suit your exact needs. Beyond the standard setup, you can fine tune your report by adding or removing specific fields and incorporating buttons for enhanced functionality. Delving into the details, there are report properties at your disposal. So these properties empowers you to filter data based on conditions you set, providing a focused view. Additionally, you have the ability to group records based on matching fields, facilitating a more organized presentation. Sorting and grouping go hand in hand. You can arrange records based on your specific fields, ensuring a logical order. To streamline your data even further, take advantage of the quick view filter and also custom filter options for more refined view. When it comes to presenting your data, the flexibility extends to printing and generating PDFs. It is all about tailoring your report to make them work best for you. The print template designer provides template level properties that enables you to enhance the visual aspects of the template, such as adding a background image, specifying the page dimensions, and inserting a header and footer. Examples: visiting card, campaign emails, newsletters, certificates, brochures, and also estimates. The print template can be built in two different ways. In that, you can create from templates where you will find the invoices, certificates, notifications, and also inventories. And you do have an option to create from blank as well. So here you can pick a field and also the components, and you can create a print template. Layout. Layouts refers to the structural arrangement of visual elements such as text, images, and other components within a design composition. In Zoho Creator, a layout is a visual representation of how data is organized and displayed in an application. So it defines the arrangements and appearance of fields and elements within a report in your application. Layouts help you design the user interface and control how data is presented to users by customizing these layouts. You can create a tailored user experience and optimize the way your application presents the data to your users. Zoho Creator provides a user-friendly drag and drop interface to design these layouts, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. Crafting the right structure for your report is a key, and you make this decision while building your application. The chosen layout is what comes to life when you access your report, arranging fields and record to offer meaningful insights into your data. Let's dive into the quick view, which represents you with several predefined layouts, whether it is the default or a custom arrangement. These layouts allow you to map from form fields to precise position and align records for a visual appealing report. Moving on to the detail view, you will find a variety of predefined layout at your disposal. So here, customization is the name of the game. The tailor the displayed field and specify their position based on your preference. Detail view not only feature default and custom layouts, but also integrates any print templates you've created. Canvas Builder in Zoho Creator is a user-friendly tool for creating visually appealing and highly customizable layouts for your application reports, making it easier to design a user interface that suits your specific requirements and branding. So we can build different types of templates using Canvas Builder layouts for various use cases, such as for employee management, student management, and also for company details, and, and for product details, loan management, and lead management. And also we can use the Canvas Builder to build real estate management and order management and property managers. Finally, we can also build invoices with the help of Canvas layout. Next one is the difference between print template and canvas builder. Print templates are meticulously designed with the primary focus on print and PDF download capabilities, tightly integrated with our deluge scripting language. This functionality proves invaluable in scenarios such as sending attachments via email, generating invoices, handling billing process, and facilitating certification workflows. Importantly, print template extend to end users serving the customers of our creative customers. On the other hand, Canvas Builder layout plays a vital role in shaping the visual and functional aspects of business process, tailored for custom actions, blueprints, and comments. These layouts are intricately linked with various actions within the system. They cater for diverse functionalities such as viewing detailed candidate information, initiating approval process, and also managing other critical business workflows. To summarize, print template addresses end user requirements with a focus on generating documents like offer letters post the completion of business flow. Meanwhile, Canvas templates serve the broader spectrum of business process and view purposes, ensuring a seamless integration with various actions and functionalities. There are three methods to create Canvas layout. First one is the pre-built template, and second one is the create from scratch, and third one is the import template. Components in Canvas Builder. There are three different components in Canvas Builder. They are data, elements, and style. Data module offering you a powerful toolkit to visualize and reorganize your record data seamlessly. Moving on to elements, this module offers versatile components for representing data associated with a specific record. Lastly, the style section empowers you to customize the aesthetic of your layouts. Use cases. Let's talk about a real life example involving Kat, who is the head of operations at Zilka Hospital. Kat wants to create an application for her hospital using Zoho Creator to streamline their work. Since Zilka Hospital has multiple branches, Kat wants a system that tracks their day-to-day tasks and record them efficiently. Additionally, they want to generate good-looking report for all their data. Now, when it comes to building this application, Kat has some specific needs. Really wants a dashboard where she can easily see everything happening in the hospital in one place. This application should help her keep an eye on patient details, doctor information, appointment details about different hospital branches, and most importantly, patient medical histories. So let's explore how Zoho Creator can make Cat's vision a reality. We'll also see how to create a user-friendly dashboard and set up the app to track all the important details Cat needs. I'm going to walk you through our demo application. So this application is for Zilker Hospital. This is the application for Zilker Hospital, which has already been built according to CAT's requirement. First, we are going to quickly see all the modules in the Zilker Hospital application. So we have built a dashboard to track all application activities like total doctor and total patient counts and specialties and subspecialties as well. And next module is the hospital. So in hospital, we can track all the branches of the CAT that mentioned previously. Here we also have a map view report to track all the branches location. So by clicking the pointers, you will see all the details of the hospital addresses and so on. Next one is the doctor form where we can keep track all the doctor histories like personal details, work related details, education details, and also salary details. And next one is the patient form where we will get all the patient histories. If the patient wants to book an appointment, so here is the form where he or she can book an appointment by selecting hospital branches and doctor, and also they can add the patient name and book an appointment. Let's say if the patient wants to order medicine and needs them delivered to their home addresses. So here is the form called pharmacy medicine where they can add the medicines and quantity and also shipping addresses. And final one is the patient history, medical history records. So here, suppose if other specialists want to check the patient's previous record means they can track all the data with the help of this form. So we have covered all the modules in the application. So let's quickly jump into the demonstration of Canvas layout builder. So here I'm going to click edit this application. It will redirect to the backend where you'll be able to see the customize the application. We have already discussed all these report customization, quick view, and also the detail view. So let's go to the canvas layout by clicking the custom layout. So here we'll be having three different options as we discussed. So here you can see create from scratch, import from gallery, and also we can import from files as well. So I'm going to click on scratch since it's a demonstration. So this is how the Canvas builder will look like. So firstly, the fields features empowers you to effortlessly drag and drop both the form fields as well as the system fields, providing you a flexible and intuitive approach to data arrangement. And next one are the custom actions, where you have the ability to drag and drop custom action tiles either from your pre-configured report or by adding new actions on the fly. So this ensures a tailored and efficient workflow. The Canvas Builder also introduces custom functionalities, allowing you to enhance your layouts with dynamic elements such as comments. By simply drag and dropping it, the record and comment tiles, you can incorporate invaluable insights into your data. Additionally, the builder also facilitates the width and column adjustments through an intuitive resize icon. Next one is the elements. Section Section enables the creation of standalone sections for grouping and related content, while tab provides an organized display by allowing the reorganization of data into distinct switchable tabs. Tables efficiently present record values in the tabular format, conserving space in the detail view. And text boxes and icons further enhance the visual appealing and clarity of your layout, offering and flexibility in content presentation. And final one is the style. From font settings to background colors, borders, shadows, and more, these options can be appealed selectively to elements within the layout builder. So before going into live demonstration, things to know. So here you can see the undo and redo changes where you can preview the canvas before saving it. And also we can export the canvas in JSON format. And this is the view in the full screen view. So also we can save it and rename the layouts as well. So I'm going to change this as a medical record. So now we are going to add some background color. So I'm going to quickly change this to the theme-based color. So here you can see it will suggest the theme-based color based on our application theme. And also we can no fill this options as well. So I'm going to first select any color here. And also we can add an image URL, or else we can add a gradient if required. So right now we don't need these two options. So I'm going to uncheck this. And also if we want to adjust any height and width, so here is the options. And I'm going to quickly add a section element here. So based on our requirement, right now we are going to create a medical history report for this. So I'm going to select a section, and whenever we select the section or any elements, automatically the styling will pop up. So where we can customize all the styling. So now I'm going to add a background, and here if we need borders means we can enable it and we can adjust the borders here. So right now I don't need any borders for this section. I'm going to disable it. And also if we need shadows, we can keep that. And next one is the radius. So if we don't want the sharp edges means we can also increase the radius size. So I'm going to keep it as a 10, and we can adjust the height by dragging and dropping, or else we can also here we can adjust. So next I'm going to add some data here. So these are all the form fields that we have, and these are all the lookup fields, which is a parent form. So I'm going to quickly drag and drop the profile here. So automatically, if we click on profile or any data means that there would be a design properties and conditions will pop up. So here you can see it will showcase the image appearance where we can keep it as an original, or else we can keep it as a cover, and also we can keep it as a contain. So right now I'm going to choose this in cover image, and also if we require these options we can enable it. So I'm going to need the shadows, so I'm also changing the shadow colors as well, right? And I'm going to adjust few sections here. And also I'm going to add few other details like name of the patients. So here, if I click on the patients, again, the data will, I mean, the design properties and conditions will pop up. So here we can also customize the themes and also the styles. So when it comes to properties, so here you can also change the display name by editing it here. And also we can display, we have an options like first name or else last name as well. If we need, we can also hide these options as well. So right now I'm going to show all the display values here. And next one is the conditional formatting. For example, if we want to highlight any other features means, I mean, any other fields in our Canvas layout, we can use this configure options, like we can configure it in the conditional formatting by clicking preview. So here you can see we can select the preview options and choosing format, like all the styles will pop up. It could be bold, italic, and so on. And also we can also set filters for the selected records as well. So here I can select the whatever required fields, and also I can set the conditions and I can save it. Right now we don't need any conditional formatting for this, so I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to add in another section. So let me add it here, and again I'm going to assign it accordingly. So here I'm going to change the background color, and also I'm going to disable the border and going to increase the radius to 10. So now let's add few data to it without using data module or drag and dropping. So here I'm going to click on insert by right clicking it, and here you can see it will display all the fields like system fields and also the main forms and related fields and so on, right? So I'm going to add a date of birth. So this section is for the personal details. So I'm going to add the date of birth of this patient. So right now I have added these modules. So here I have added it. Again, we have few other options like fixed component. If we want to fix these components, we can enable it. So whenever the screens are based according to the screen size, the components won't change. It remains the same size. So let me click on that. Again, I'm going to right click this. So it will show the fluid component, which means it is opposite to the fixed component. So it will change according to the screen size. The components will change according to the screen size. Apart from that, we do have the copy and paste style. We can also copy it and paste it. And next one is the lock option. So here we can click on lock means, so while editing it, the section won't change. So if I'm going to edit this means, so by clicking this, yeah. So by clicking this, I can edit it so the section won't change. I can also unlock it. And next one is the delete option. If we don't want, we can delete these options as well, right? So let me quickly add other details here, like the gender and also phone number. And also I'm going to add the address here. I'm going to make adjustments based on this section. And also I'm going to add the email. So here, right now, you could see all the fields are unaligned. So for that, we do have a multi-styling options. By clicking Shift and the field, it will select the fields. So right now we have selected and we can also use these stylings. So similar way, this will applicable for all these. So I'm going to Shift and also I'm going to select this. So now I'm going to keep this as an selector. Yeah. So let's add few text here, like mentioning personal details. So I can also change on top of this. So here I can keep this as an heading, also heading 2. So right now I'm going to make few changes here. I'm going to keep this personal data on top of this, and I'm going to put this down. Yeah. So this is how it will look. And also we are going to add a line. So the line section, actually line element useful for the segregation part. So if you want to highlight or if you want to segregate anything, so line will helpful for us. And also by right clicking this, I can also clone this line as well. So here I can clone it and I can also keep the same size here. So let's quickly click on save and I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to access this application. So right now under medical report, I'm going to click it. So this is how the Canva will look like, right? So we can add the various other elements and so on. So let's quickly go to the edit page and we'll add few other details as well. So next I'm going to click on section again. And I'm going to add few multi-line fields as well. So here diagnosis is the multi-line field. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to keep it here. And also I can extend these as well. So let's add few colors. Okay. Again, I'm going to add a section. Let me align it. All right. So here we are going to add few other data like health details, like the height, width, blood group, and also blood pressure and other tests like hemoglobin and thyroid for this particular patient. So right now it is unaligned. So again, I'm going to multi-styling this option. So before that, I'm going to add few icons for this. So we do have the icons. So let me quickly add a relevant icon here. So here we can add a number of icons. So for height, I'm going to choose this and I'm going to resize this. Again, the style and themes will pop up if you want to add any colors and background images. That is possible, right? And I'm also going to clone this. That is also possible, like we did in line. So let me add another icon for other uh, options. So I'm going to select a random icon here. Let me quickly add it and resize it. So I'm going to apply the same icon for all other options. So now I'm going to multi-style everything by clicking Shift. So now we have aligned everything. So let's quickly save it and see how the live application will look like. So here you can see we have added the observation details and also the patient health details. Let's add few other elements like tabs and tables. So I'm going to choose this tab and it will display the theme as well as the style. And again, I'm going to resize it and I'm going to add few background colors for this. So let me add it. And also I can add the colors for everything. So here I can add n number of tabs by clicking plus. So under this, we can also change the details like appointment history. And here I'm going to change it as in prescriptions. While styling, we could see three different options, right? So here we can also use these options like it could be normal or active and also hover. While hovering, we can also change the colors as well. So here you can see, let me add as in green. So here you can see the changes, right? So we can also add another tab and going to rename it as in medical records. So we have all everything. So let's add few related blocks. Related blocks is nothing but the subforms and lookup data. So here you can see prescription is the one of the subforms. So I'm going to drag and drop it and I'm also going to edit it accordingly. I'm going to add this color and also I'm going to add the color for the values as well as for the labels as well. So here you could see the labels and values, right? So we can also add it here, right? So right now we have used the subform fields and next I'm going to add the appointment history. Simply I'm going to drag and drop it and again we can change the color for the label and for the value. Next, I'm going to add the medical records, which is the file. So here we can add the colors for label. We can add the background colors. So when it comes to properties, I'm going to remove the title and keep the all the fields, required fields. Similar way, I'm going to remove the title for all these. All right. So let's click on save. Yeah. And again, we can also add icon by right clicking it in the tab. So I'm going to add some prescription. Also, I can change it. Here, I'm going to choose this as a prescription and appointment. I'm going to search the appointment and also the medical files. All right. So let's quickly click on save. And let's see how it will in the live application. So here you could see the changes. I'm going to change the color for this as an theme color. And next we are going to add the tables. So here you could see the tables. So here is this is the theme for the table, like the labels and value, and also we can customize these tables as well. So I'm going to again keep this as a theme color, and I'm going to, if we need another column means we can click on plus, it will populate, and also we can remove it like this. So I'm going to add few details like next visit, advice, and also this to be taken in the next. So here I'm going to add the text as an upcoming task. I'm going to keep this on heading. So let's resize this table. Yes, and click on save. So again, it will populate here. So here you could see we have added the uh, tables and modules like tabs and so on. So here you could see all the appointment histories and the medical records as well. So by clicking this template, you'll be able to see the template as well. This is the preview of the template, and also you can download it from here. So again, we are going to add few custom actions as well as the custom functions. So when it comes to custom functions, we can add record comments and as well as the blueprint. So right now we don't have any blueprint for this particular form, but post this demonstration, I can showcase you the blueprint form, which I have configured before, right? So I'm going to change this comment colors. All right. And let's add a custom action. So here we could I have already configured the custom action as a button. So on click of button, the concerned patient will receive an email from the hospital side about the prescriptions and all the details that we have added here, right? And also, if we want to create a new action, we can configure a new action by clicking this, and we can name it, and we can create a workflow for that as well. So let's quickly save this template, and so this is the final look of the canvas builder, and also we can add the colors for the table and also for the values. And let's quickly click on save. So this is the live mode. So here you could see all the details, and I'm going to send the email. So let's quickly send this, and we'll check the in the email section. So here you could see the prescriptions, right? So all the medicines that we have attached, and also its few advices, right? So this is how, and also here you could see the emails. So this is how you can configure the custom actions here, right? So this is the end of the live demo. And also I'm going to walk you through few other custom layouts that we built on top of the Canva builder. So this is one of the view. And also I'm going to show you the another view by clicking this. And we can create multiple canvas layout for a single report as well. So this is one of the view. Right now we have already configured it. So here you can see the icons and all other prescription details and so on, right? So let's save it. And here you can see the live. So this is how it will look, right? And also I'm going to change this, and I'm going to use this second format that we have created before. So let's quickly save on this and again refresh this. So this is the another custom layout that we have built before. So here you could see the observations and the upcoming task and details, health related details, and the prescriptions, and also booking appointments and medical records, right? Similar way, we have created a profile for the doctors as well. So here you could see the profile like doctors details, like education, salary, and sub specialties and specialties, so on. So here you could also expand it and you can also view the details as well. If you want to edit this record, it will automatically redirect to the form where you could edit it. And also we would have an option to print this templates as well. So here you could see. So this is how we can print it. And also if we require the same background color, we have the more option where we can enable it and also we can disable the options as well, right? So I'm going to collapse this. And next one is the purchase medicine. So if this is one of the, invoices that I have created on top of the canvas. So for example, if the patient ordered any details, I mean, any medicines means automatically the details will be pop up over here. And here I have used a few blueprint process. Let me quickly show you the blueprint process by clicking edit this application. And I'm going to the workflows and the blueprints. So this is just a simple blueprint that I have configured. If the customer or the concerned person ordered, place an order means it will go to the order packed and out for delivery and delivered. So these are all the transitions that we have configured, right? So let's quickly click on done and go to access this application. And here under the purchase medicine, you can click on records and here you could see the out for delivery, which is the blueprint stages, right? Again, we can go to edit this application and we are going to detail view and we are going to click on buildings. So here you could see the PO, which is the purchase order. So here you could see the billing details and billing addresses and also the medicines, which is the sub form that we have configured. And this is the blueprint stage, right? So here you could add the blueprints and as well as the comments for the custom functionalities. Once we click on save, so this is the output that I have shown before. And next one, we are not stopping here. We are also have the discussion about the advantages of Canvas Builder layout, which is a which is the benefits. So, advantages of Canvas Builder layout highlights key benefits that underscore its significance in enhancing user experience. Canvas Builder takes a strategic approach and also placing a primary emphasis on both aesthetic appeal and also streamlined business flow. Though seamlessly integration with CRM, it is not only the prioritized visual elegance, but also allows for the adoption of cutting edges, UI trends, and also features directly from the CRM platform. This integration stands as a remarkable opportunity, particularly for the CRM users, providing them with an enriched experience and also elevated data visualing capabilities. The Canvas Builder flexibility shines through in its various elements, enabling the creation of theme-based templates and the incorporation of custom native components such as comments, blueprints, and custom actions. It is also freehand builder in particularly enjoys the freedom of unrestricted template creation, fostering creativity without limitations. The marketplace has witnessed the publication of Canvas by CRM and attracting skilled designer who contribute their expertise to the creation of visually stunning canvases. This collaboration ensures that users have the access to beautified designed canvas akin to proficiency demonstrated by the creator's skilled developer. Firstly, when it comes to the fields in your report, you have the flexibility to add them up to 5 times. This allows you to efficiently replicate and organize your data as needed. However, it is essential to note that duplicating a Canvas template, whether for the same report or for the different one, isn't possible directly. Instead, you will need to export the template and then upload it again. And next one is the field mapping won't be automatically captured during the export. So you will need to remap the fields in the new template. When it comes to accessibility, Canvas is available for both free and paid plans of Zoho Creator and it is accessible across all the data centers. It is also a versatile tool that offers great value to users across different plans. And it is very important to know that designing custom layouts using Canvas is a privilege reserved for admins and also developers. However, other users can still access and view these layouts as long as they have the relevant permissions. Canvas is currently supported only for the web browsers and creating Canvas layout for mobile and tablet use, and it is not supported currently. Upcoming highlights. So currently we are working on the PDFs and print possibilities, and also we are planning for the Canvas templates for mobiles, tablets, and also for web. And it is also fully cleansed printing we are focusing. For example, customers can print the data associated with each tabs one by one while printing and download as PDF. End of the demo. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the question panel. Since we don't have any questions, so we are moving to the feedback section. So here you could see the QR code, or else you can use this link to share your valuable feedbacks. I'm going to share the screen, share this link in the chat panel. And also you can use the zoho.com/creator/ for a free, and you can also explore our platform. Thank you for joining this webinar. I hope this session was informative. If you have any queries, please contact to the below email support@zohocreator.com or else solutions@zohocreator.com. I hope this session was informative and thank you for participating.